Hello, Anandya ji. Good evening. How are you?
I'm good, Sudhiji. How are you? I'm good. I'm good.
Sorry
Thank
for
you.
the inconvenience. Sorry for the waiting.
Where did you get stuck? It's okay, sir. Where did you get stuck?
Okay.
Where did you get late? You were having a dinner.
No, no. I have just one call. That's why I unable to join on the time. So that's why. So no problem. So we can start right now.
Right. I want to ask you question, my favorite questions again.
Okay.
Tell me, how can, again the same question which I would like to ask you, which never got answered. One more time I'll answer. Ask this
Okay.
question. Suppose I want to buy one share from one company, whatever.
Okay.
What is the process? How will I do it? I want to buy one share from one company. How will you guide me on this?
Oh, first of all, I would like to thank you for giving this opportunity to. I will just uh, give you briefing about the how to choose the select stock, how to buy. So rather than buying any stock, first we need to understand the demat account. Okay, we have to open one demat account. Demat account is nothing but one type of locker. Okay, one type of locker. So which are the stock we in future we are going to buy. So all the stock, the deposit in that locker. The locker means debit account. So first we need to demat account, and second we need trading account. Demat account our locker, but trading account how we can buy the stock. Okay, we need to done any transaction. Then after, so we can get the delivery of particular stock. So we can open simultaneously trading account also. So we need demat and trading account. Okay. So on that, I think so enough. So we can buy these stocks.
So where do I open a demat account? Where do I get a trading account?
At a age of 18, but maybe if you are not, if you are below 18, so your parents or your guardians, they can open the demat account on behalf of you. And if you are not a minor or means adult, so you can also handle your account. You need one valid PAN card, Indian PAN card, and one Aadhaar card. So you can link over there, and you can directly open your demat account.
So trading account would be your bank account actually.
No, no, trading account means the lots of the broker they are providing the the demat account only CDSL and NSDL. Okay, in our India we have only two accounts. Most of the broker are tapped with CDSL, and demat account means I can say demat holding means many of the broker they are providing services for a trading account, so we can open that. So both the account are opening at the same time. You can request the broker. I need one demat account. So simultaneously they also open your trading account also. You no need to ask to open the separate trading account also. They are directly open the same account, trading and demat both.
Sudhirji, I'm so sorry I didn't understand.
Means
So
in simple way, you need one PAN card, and you go to your nearest or which are the retailer or which are the broker you are useful. So you can give the request. I want to demat account. So they can collect your document and they can open your demat and trading both the account. Both the account are same. They are just a name for demat and trading. That's it.
okay, so the purpose of opening a trading and a demat account is that we can't do it online. I mean, this Zerodha and
Yes,
Upstart.
of course, we can do online also. It is depend to person how the person are educated and how they are compatible with online. Uh,
So with my kind of education, do you think I'll be able to do this? I think so.
yes, of course you can do it, but education is not required. But sometimes the confidence level is required, because sometimes people they don't means they don't comfortable with sharing their details via online through. Okay, they still they are not using online net banking password also. They are not using Google Pay, Phone Pay also. They are just processing the old process like a check, DD, or go
Yeah.
to bank and fill the slip and collect the money. So recently, the educated people, few are the in my competence of circle, there are lots of the people also. They are still follow the old procedure also. So it's depend to person how they can.
So online broking, all these Upstock, Zerodha, what do they do, sir? What is their role actually?
They are just mediator. They are just connecting with buyer and seller. If you are a buyer, right? Today you are going to purchase any stocks, so you can't buy without them.
So how can I buy? That's what my question was. So
You
I
need
have
to just you need to just open a Demat account. After opening your account, the particular broker have the particular website or the particular application format. Like you are using Clapingo, how you are just as a learner, I am going to select the particular mentor and book the session, right? If they are available or not. So same like the stocks, we can just search the stock, particular stock, XYZ stock, and we can, for example, this current price is 100 rupees. So we can just try to buy if any seller is available. So we can put our order.
okay. So
Before the putting our order, we need to just ensure we have the particular minimum balance in our account. Means our ledger account means our broker, which are the accounts we have opened in particular ledger. First we have to transfer some money, then after we can buy the stock.
okay, it is no way linked to your savings or current account. That's what you're saying.
No, it is linked, but we can't directly deduct from our bank account. First of all, we need to transfer in particular wallet,
Okay.
then after we can buy from over there.
So now you have a third party wallet also. That's what you're saying.
Not third party wallet, the particular broker has the ledger, it's called a ledger account. So we have to transfer the money in ledger account, then after we can buy the stock and sell whatever is requirement.
So now if I have to buy a stock from X company, so that company is going to show up for that particular broker in that account. That's what I'm trying to understand.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. If it is company is not blacklisted or maybe not barred by not violating by the SEBI guidelines or not blocked by the SEBI, so definitely it will be occur in the website also and in the application also.
Okay. Okay. And like in mutual funds, we can make a systematic investment plan.
Yes, of course, we can do it also.
Here, while buying stocks, also we can do it.
Yes, of course, we can do it. If you are the broker also providing this type of facility, we can just enter our money, how much we are just uh, if I have a 2,000 rupees per month plan, so I will just put in 2,000 money, start the SIP or sign digitally NACH services. So it will be deducted from our bank account also,
I see.
and 2,000 amount deducted from our bank account and credited in our ledger account particular. broker ledger account. On that, we can buy the stock.
Great. So I think this gives me a fair idea. And how was today's market?
Today's
Sudhirji?
market is on VSEP,
Okay, what did you say? V shape.
VSEP, because in last few weeks the market is going on downtrending, but right now today is the bounce back, and the market give the closing at least 1,000 to 100 point plus Sensex.
Okay, which you mean to say the market went down and it just you know uh, went up again. That's what you're trying to say.
Yes,
So market bounced back. Hmm, that's interesting. So when the market bounces back again, so what do we call this? We call this a
VSEP
bear
recovery,
market or a bull market?
VSEP recovery bull market.
Bull market. Interesting, Sudhirji. Good, good, good. So, you want to ask me something, sir?
No, no, no. I'm not.
You
Right
don't have
now,
any.
I don't have any question and any query. If you have any observations, so definitely you can share with me which are my grammatical mistake or any points
Yeah,
you have.
I didn't point out because grammatical mistakes are still happening. But I always say that your flow is very important to me, and I want to see that confidence which is there. Once it is completely, because at times which mistakes which are really glaring, I tell them, which can completely upset the rhythm of your sentence, or which may become a very significant error.
Okay.
But I have also corrected in between. Other than this, I think good, keep going, Sudhirji. That is very important.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your compliment.